Hey there, welcome to ActiveCalculator. You've just unlocked the effortless way to create custom branded calculators that engage your visitors and drive conversion to your website. Alright, let's take a quick tour. On left, you'll see folders, which is perfect way for organizing your calculators. And on the bottom, you have your workspace usage. In the main view, you'll see all your calculators within this folder, and you can also rename this folder, delete this folder, and also add members to this workspace. Now let's jump in and create a new calculator. Let's say we need a simple ROI calculator. Here on the left, we'll see all the elements. If we click on one of them, we can pop it in the main view. So for the ROI calculator, I'll need 2 of them, and I also need a result. And if we click on any one of this element, we'll be able to see the settings on the right. So let's just rename this to amount invested. I'm gonna say this amount returned, and this would be the ROI. So we're gonna come to this source variable later. Here's where the real magic happens, setting up calculations that power this custom calculator. So I'm gonna first go to our default variables, and I'm gonna rename this variable so that it is easy for us to call later on. This one. Let's create a custom variable, ROI. I'm gonna call this ROI, and let's do a simple math. Amount returned minus invested divided by invested into 100. So we are done here. Now let's quickly select our ROI field, and we are going to select this source variable, and we're going to select the custom variable as our source variable. Also going to add postfix to this, which is going to be a person sign, and I'm going to hit save. So before publishing this calculator, let's also quickly talk about our themes. In the design tab, we can create custom themes, and we can also select themes from our gallery. So I'm gonna select one of my custom theme, this one, and I'm gonna hit save. Next, let's just publish this calculator. To embed this calculator on your website or share it, head over to the share tab, and you can copy the link here, or you can copy the embed code up here. And that's it. You're now ready to engage and convert with your very own custom calculators. Thank you for choosing ActiveCalculator. Dive in and start creating today.